get from this gray colored font means that this information was pulled from a database by a database lookup. So we have a simple database with our vendors. SimpleCapture was able to query that database and extract by this vendor name all additional information. And we capture table portion, and with the multiple items in a table, you can also capture with one click. So for the full column, I'm going to do one click and extract this information. So as you can see, we have all information that we need from this document, so we can export it. Show you what happens if, in case if you have multiple locations for your vendor. Like in my case, my vendor has few locations, so I have to choose the proper location for proper address for this vendor. So in my case, this is London, Ontario. This is London, Ontario. So I'm going to use this one. And again, all information is extracted. The only thing I need to capture is table portion. And we're done with this commercial invoice. So just imagine how much time it would take just to manually process and keying in manually this information. So together with click capture solution and AutoFind, it's you will benefit right away. You can extract 5, 10, 100 fields with just by one click. Once you process this document, it will learn it. So, and again, if you have a network collaboration module, so you can multiple operators can benefit from it. Again, we're going to click 1, 2, 3, 4, and the document is ready. Okay, so this is basically how the AutoFind module is set up and configured and how it works. I'm going to switch back to you, Jeff.
All right, thank you very much. Thank you, Gary, for that excellent demonstration. Summation, clearly the return on automation is a key factor in the decision-making process for your clients. And what I tend to focus on is the direct hard dollar savings, the quantifiable hard dollar savings. A lot of people incorporate soft ROI, but I think with data capture, it tends to be so dramatic, so clear that those soft cost ROIs really may cloud the decision-making process. If I can go in and say, you have 6 people currently doing data entry, tomorrow with my technology, you can have 3 or 2, and you can save all of the cost to purchase the solution in 6 months, it's very, very straightforward. So clearly the ROI focus in my case is around reduced labor. Depending upon the specific situation, you can certainly show a reduction in the shipping and transportation costs, handling costs. You can obviously, in the case of accounts payable, show the reduction of late fees and interest payments, as well as increase in early pay discounts. If you're eliminating paper altogether, then maybe you can add the reduction in the storage costs and to some extent even the increase in productivity. But again, I think, as you'll see in the next slide, really if you just focus on labor, you'll probably do extremely well. My ROI calculation is as this slide represents. It's the current number of full-time employees, and if in this example it takes 4, and the estimated number with the technology implemented, in this case SimpleCapture. So 4 is reduced to 2. We are saving 2 FTEs. Average FTE in an AP environment in a metropolitan area fully burdened with salary and benefits and so forth is about $40,000. So 2 times 40,000 equals $80,000 per year in cost savings for that organization. Now, 2 SimpleCapture licenses with AutoFind and implementation is somewhere around $25,000. So you're looking at approximately 4 months to get a return on investment. So when you walk into, especially as I said in the beginning, AP or the accounting department, and you show them these types of return on investment, you will answer towards your solution proposal. I try and keep it very simple. There's less wiggle room. There's less room for someone to say, well, what if we don't get this? What if we don't get that? This is very straightforward.